What's up, people? Truck driver here. So, no more mask in Germany. Finally, tomorrow is Freedom Day. Or it's not. Stay tuned. So, today is 1st April. It's not an April joke. As many of you knows who live here in Germany, that from 15-20 days ago, so in middle of the March, German state pronounced that we don't need to wear mask anymore here in Germany, only in some specific place, hospitals and place where you work with patient and everything. So that's great, no? But as we know, Germany has had 16 republics, so they put on them to pronounce will they use a mask. So Germany is completely free of mask, German state. So every state now they delayed this line until tomorrow, second April. So tomorrow night, Saturday, 2nd April, in 5 for 12 on the evening, you need to wear mask. 1 minute after 12, Corona is gone, people. We don't need mask anymore. So, but okay, many not logic things are happen here in during these 2 years and everything. So, personally, I think that who want to wear mask should wear a mask. Who doesn't want to wear mask doesn't wear mask, and that's all. If you are vaccinated, you are protected. If you are not vaccinated, you are not protected. So I don't know, that personal opinion. But when one state pronounce that you don't need more, and republics says you need to wear, okay, we wear for them. So from tomorrow is Saturday, as I said, no more mask. Or now the company himself decide should we wear mask again or not. So I don't know, I think all the company will stay and stay with masks. So we actually we need to wear mask again. We don't, I don't know what will happen in Monday, but we need to wear mask in companies. I speak with a couple of my friends, the old companies we work everywhere, they put the policy that we need to wear a mask and again everything. It's I think in a couple of weeks it will be free of mask, especially in summer or something like that. But I only want to say is that some things are not clearly. You see on television or somewhere, no mask anymore, then you go there and you wear a mask or something like that. So I just want to this farce finish with some things that are not normal. Okay, we have now war in Ukraine and gas and everything, Russia crisis. Now the numbers in Germany are so high, so high, but they pull down everything, I think, because people are not satisfied with diesel, with benzene, with prices. There is no oil, there is no flour, so everything is toilet paper also is on the low point. You can buy only two, but there is, yeah, you can buy some things. I didn't see oil, I didn't buy it 3 weeks already. So this is only one update. I just want to say that some things are not normal, some things are okay. I respect that this was really tough 2 years for whole world, but there is a lot of nonsense everywhere. So people, yes, so of course we don't need to wear a mask anymore, but I think in the future will be like this, or maybe even like this.
Stay safe, people, and see you in some another adventure. Don't forget to wear a mask and everything.